Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna show you how to improvise a chest seal if you don't actually have one. Check it out. What I'm looking for is just a piece of plastic or something that is occlusive, meaning it is airtight and watertight. And I'm gonna cut this into a square. From there, I'm gonna identify where my wounds are. I'm gonna center this over the wound. And then I'm gonna take my tape. Here I have some Gorilla Tape. You can use duct tape, medical tape, of course, but what you're not gonna wanna use is something that isn't gonna stick to the human body, like packing tape or masking tape or something like that. It's gotta be sticky stuff. I'm just gonna tape 4 sides of it, like this. Now, if you run into a situation where you do have to let air out because air is starting to fill that chest space, what you can do is just pull a corner up, and it's called burping the wound. Just go ahead and let that air out, and then seal it right back up, and you're good to go. And there you have it. That is your makeshift chest seal. Easy peasy. Be safe, stay alive.